Hey, it's Andy from RightBlogger, and I thought I'd share some April updates for you to our platform here. So let's not waste any more time and dive right in. You can see here I'm on the tools page, and of course we have the search on top. So I'm going to show you the first change. So if we type in summary here, we can get the summarizer. And I'm just going to paste in the Declaration of Independence here, and I'm going to hit generate. So our first change is all the tools now stream back to you, so it goes way faster. You can see how it writes out to you instead. Before you had to wait a couple seconds for it to actually reply to you, and that works for all of the tools. So I'm very happy about how that works. You can go to the Pinterest tool here, and let's just type something here, mastering mobile photography, and let me generate, and you can see it'll instantly generate the response now. And also in the Pinterest tool, we've broken out all of the items into title and description. So when you're copying things into Pinterest, it makes it a lot easier to do that. So you can just click any of these to take each one. Now, the biggest thing that we've been asked is improvements to the article writer, and that is what we have done. So let's go into the article writer here. You can see now the outline area is gone, and now there's an edit outline option. There's also a real-time data option. So this option actually will pull data for you from other sites. AI right now has a limit of 2021 information. So if you write in who owns Twitter, it's going to not know the most current information. This will actually pull in the newest information for you. So let's just type in a query here. We're going to do master mobile photography. We'll do a creative tone. We'll edit the outline. And we have a new section here for advanced settings. So if you like the way the article writer worked before, you could do the short form here. That'll do a pretty short article, maybe with 600 words. But we're going to use the new version and keep it on long form. And if you have a point of view you want to keep throughout the article, this is a great way to do it here. So I'm going to leave it on, actually I'm going to put it on first person, and let's hit generate. So it takes about 20 seconds to actually generate your outline. And then once that is done, it's gonna you can actually modify the outline. So let's wait until that goes here. So here's our outline that the AI generated for us. Understanding the camera, editing your photos. Let's say, of course you can delete all the items if you want to do that, but let's say you wanted to add something to one of the specific items. So for example, if I wanted to add Lightroom editing to the editing your photos, we can do that here. So now that added a new item, and then we can drag it, and you can see how the items nest here, and that'll make it an H3 underneath the H2 here. So that'll kind of nest the subjects together. So you can add multiple things to one heading, and that's a really easy way to move around and edit your article here. So now that I've added that, let's generate our article here. So of course it's going to at first generate a title, and then an introduction, and then it's going to go through each of the sections that you've defined in your outline. And of course, if you don't want to sit there and look at the outline or edit it beforehand, you can just turn off the outline editor, and it'll just go right into this mode. With this new streaming feature, you actually won't want to leave the pages, so you're going to want to keep it up while it's generating the file here. So you can see I used the H2 here, and then kind of picked up what we wanted to do here and include Lightroom. And so it's writing Lightroom related tips here to editing. So I'm just going to stop this right now by going back to all tools, and that'll stop the rendering. And I just want to show you the last change. So if we go back to the article writer, you can see I've already written a couple of blogs here. Let's do the master in mobile photography. So I've done this before. And we have a new button here, edit and run again. So if you actually don't like the results that the AI generated for you, you can just click that, and then you can change settings around and then regenerate it. So if you want to try out multiple tones, things like that, this is a really easy way to do that now. And that's it for all the changes on RightBlogger for April. And I hope you enjoy it, and thanks for watching, and thanks for using RightBlogger. We are working on having trial features coming soon, so be on the lookout for that. Thanks. Bye.